5 healthy kale dishes. Kale, one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables, is a green leafy powerhouse that can be incorporated into your diet in various ways. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, kale promotes overall health and well-being. In this video, we will explore 5 healthy kale dishes that will take you on a nourishing culinary journey. Firstly, a classic yet nutritious option is kale salad. Toss fresh kale leaves with your favorite vegetables such as cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Add some crunchy texture with almonds or sunflower seeds. Finish it off with a zesty dressing made with lemon juice, olive oil, and a hint of honey. This kale salad is not only vibrant in color, but also bursting with vitamins and minerals. If you are looking for something warm and comforting, try making a hearty kale soup. Sauté garlic and onions in olive oil. Then add chopped kale and vegetable broth. Allow it to simmer until the kale is tender. For added protein and flavor, you can throw in some white beans and diced tomatoes. This nutritious soup will not only warm your soul, but also provide you with essential nutrients. For a quick and easy option, consider making kale chips. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C. Tear the kale leaves into bite-sized pieces, then toss them in olive oil, salt, and your preferred seasonings, such as garlic powder or paprika. Spread the kale on a baking sheet and bake for 10–15 minutes until crispy. These kale chips are a delicious alternative to regular potato chips, providing a satisfying crunch without the guilt. Another delightful dish is a kale and quinoa stir-fry. Cook quinoa according to the package instructions. In a separate pan, sauté kale, bell peppers, and diced tofu or chicken in sesame oil. Add cooked quinoa and a drizzle of soy sauce for a flavorful combination. This kale and quinoa stir-fry is not only packed with protein and fiber, but also provides a delightful blend of textures. Lastly, let's explore a kale and fruit smoothie. Blend fresh kale leaves with your favorite fruits such as bananas, berries, and oranges. Add a liquid of your choice, such as almond milk or coconut water, and a spoonful of honey or agave syrup for sweetness. This vibrant green smoothie will provide you with a refreshing and nutritious start to your day. In conclusion, there are endless possibilities when it comes to incorporating kale into your diet. Whether you enjoy it in a salad, soup, chips, stir-fry, or smoothie, kale is a versatile and nutrient-dense vegetable that can enhance your overall health. So embark on a nourishing culinary journey and explore these 5 healthy kale dishes to reap the benefits it has to offer. I hope these 5 kale recipe dishes were helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more on kale, kale recipes, kale diets, kale smoothies, and kale healthy eating, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's improve our health by improving our eating habits.